Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have PS5 ready and internet. Start now. First, sign into your PSN account so settings and saved browsers sync. Once done, confirm system software is updated. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, open the Media or Game Hub where the web browser is reachable via search or app shortcuts. This is faster than installing third-party apps. You're beginning with the essentials to avoid interruptions, and you'll move directly into loading Google in the next step. You now load Google. Here's how. From the PS5 interface, access the browser via Settings, Game Hub, or a web shortcut. If you don't see it, open a help page that launches the web view. Type Google.com in the address bar and press Enter. Make sure to use a USB or Bluetooth keyboard for speed and switch to touchpad input when needed. Once loaded, sign into your Google account to sync search history and personalized results, which makes searches more relevant. You're finishing up. Run searches and refine results. Use typed queries or connect a microphone for voice input. Open links in new tabs to compare pages. Adjust display zoom and text size for readability, and visit Google settings to control privacy and search filters. If pages fail to load, clear the browser cache and cookies, then reload. If that fails, reboot your PS5, verify the network connection, and install any pending system updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.